Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. I would like to welcome all of you in a Mahdi English School online education. You all are welcome to the new session of mathematics in class of standard 1. We are going to start our day with a positive thought. Success is achieved and maintained by those who try and keep trying. Yes, my dear students, this is the mantra to not only achieve the success but still remains at that position. And who received the success? Who try and try until become successful. A very large best of luck to all my dear tiny students. Now, here we are going to start our class. Before we start, everyone, sit straight, make your back straight. Very good. How are you all, my dear? You all are fine? Enjoying online studies? Very good. Here you are having a colorful board to get studied, na? So, I must say that you all are enjoying. Now, take out your notebook, maths fair book, compass box and get ready to your writing work. First of all, write down today's date and day in this corner. What you have to do? You have to write date and day. Completed? Very good. Now, my dear students, you all know that right now a revision session is going on. So, write the heading Revision Essay 1. REVISION Revision Essay 1. Who remembers what we have completed in our revision session? In this series, we have almost completed revision of fill in the blanks. After that, we have completed revision of number names 51 to 100. So, what's new for today? What we are going to learn today, or about which topic we are going to make revision today? Let me tell you. Look, which signs are these? As you all are very tiny students, the first standard students, so you must familiar with these two signs. This science is about subtraction, and what is this? What indicates this sign? This sign indicates that this is of addition. Standing line, sleeping line. What does it calls? It calls plus. Whenever you are going to make addition, you have to use this sign. Yes, my dear students, this is the topic for today. Today we are going to make revision of at the following. Now everyone get ready for writing work. Write the heading at the following. ADD add, THE the, Following. Following. First of all, what you have to write? You have to write revision essay 1. After that, write the heading, add the following. As today we are going to make revision of at the following. Write the first sum, everyone. 6 plus 3. Now look, my dear students, let me explain again that. Look, this is your page. You are having boxes like this in your book. Am I right, my dear? As in mathematics, we are using square line book. So, you are having the squares like this in your notebook. So, how you have to write? In one box, you have to write 6. Here you have to make plus sign, and just below number 6, you have to write number 3. 6 plus 3. In mathematics, the sequence of number is very important. So, my dear students, whenever you are going to write in the square line book, or whenever you are doing sums, either it is from addition or subtraction, make sure that you have to write the numbers on its proper place. My dear students, this is the very important point in mathematics. So, now tell me, how can we solve this sum? Here we are going to solve the sum. Look, how many fingers are these? These are 6 fingers. Okay? We are going to add 3 more to it. 6 plus 3. Now see, what is the total or sum? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 plus 3, we get 9. Everyone copy the answer properly in your book. This symbol is for understanding only. You don't need to write this. You have to write the sum. 6 plus 3, we get 9. You all have to copy this, okay? Now, write the new sum. 9 plus 5. Here is the next sum. Note down it in your book. 9 plus 5. Completed? You all are writing with me now or not? I hope you all are writing, huh, my dear? So, what will be the sum of 9 plus 5? Let us see. How many fingers are these? These are 9 fingers. We have to add 5 more to it. Got it? As our sum is 9 plus 5. So, here we are going to add 5 more. Now, how can we know what is the total? For getting the answer, we have to make total of these all the fingers. Here we are going to start the calculation. You all have to count with me, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So, the sum or total is 1, 4, 14. 9 plus 5, we get number 14. Here you have to write the number 14 properly. You should not write it together in this single box. Write number 1 here and 4 in this box, just below number 5. Make sure that, my dear students, you have to write the numbers on its proper place. Okay? So, I hope now you all have completed the work. So, we are going to start the next sum. Everyone, note down the sum. 5 plus 5. Write the sum 5 plus 5. Make sure that, my dear students, your handwritings must be good. You have to write neat and clean, as well as write the numbers on its proper place. Okay? So, here we are going to solve 5. Look, how many fingers are these? These are 5 fingers. And how many fingers we have to add? We have to add 5 more to it. 5 plus 5. See, what is the total? Now, you all have to count with me. Count it loudly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 plus 5, we get 1, 0, 10. Everyone, note down the answer in your book. 5 plus 5, we get 1, 0, 10. Write the numbers on its proper place. Is everyone completed? Our sum is 5 plus 5. After counting, we get the answer 1, 0, 10. Write the answer properly, 1 in one box, when 0 is another box. Okay? Here is our next sum, which is 6 plus 5. Next sum is 6 plus 5. I am here to explain, as well as I am detecting everything. Now, my dear students, the ball is in your court. What you have to do? You have to write down. Right? 6 plus 5. Okay? You all are enjoying, na? I know that you all like addition very much. So, here we are going to solve the sum. Look, how many fingers are these? These are 6 fingers. Now, how many fingers we have to add more? We have to add 5 more to this. Here we have added 5. Now see, you can also try to count this, Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 6 plus 5, we get 11. Everyone, copy the answer. 6 plus 5, we get 11. Is everyone completed? Very good. Write down the next sum, which is 67 plus 2. Our sum is 67 plus 2. Everyone, note down the sum in your notebook. 67 plus 2. Here we are going to solve the sum. First of all, we need 7. These are 7 fingers plus 2. Here we have added 2. 7 plus 2. Hey, my dear students, why we have done this? When we have 2 columns here, one is of 6, one is of 7. Let me tell you, whenever we have to solve 2-digit sums, first of all we have to solve ones column. We should not start from this side. Definitely we have to start from this side. So here we are going to solve the ones column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. By adding 2 to number 7, we get number 9. 7 plus 2, we get 9. Is the sum over or remaining? The sum is still incomplete. We have to solve the tens column also. Here number 6 is alone. We don't have any number in this column. So here we have to write the number itself, 6. Everyone, note down this answer in your book. Make sure that you have to write number 9 at ones place when number 6 at tens place. 67 plus 2, we get 69. Is everyone copying with me? Is the work completed? Now I hope that you all have completed your work. Shall we move on? Yes. Write the next sum. 35 plus 3. Write down the sum 35 plus 3. Write number 3 at ones place. Okay. Now here also we have 2 numbers. So let me tell you again that we have to start solution from ones column. This column belongs to tens when this belongs to ones, and always start counting from ones place only. At ones place, here we have 5 plus 3. This is 5. We are going to add 3 more to it. 3. 5 plus 3. Now let's count how many fingers are all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3 we get 8. Each and everyone copy this in your book. 5 plus 3 we get number 8. Now see, is any number present below number 3? No, number 3 is standing alone. So, now what should we do? If there is not present any number there, so we have to write the same number at that place. So here we are going to write number 3. In all we can say that 35 plus 3 is equal to 38. Is everyone completed the writing part? 35 plus 3. First we have to solve 5 plus 3. We get number 8. 3 is alone, so there comes only 3. So at the end 35 plus 3 is equal to 38. I hope everyone completed their work in their notebook. Write the next sum, which is 60 plus 20. Our sum is 60 plus 20. Look, my dear students, here we have 2-digit numbers at both places. 6060 and 2020. This column represents tens when this column represents ones. So, write down the numbers properly. 6060 plus 2020. Is everyone completed? Here we are going to solve. 0 plus 0. First of all, we have to start solving the sum from ones place, and at ones place we have 0 plus 0. So it is very simple that we get a 0. 60 plus 20. Now what is remaining? There remains to solve tens column. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2. Now let's count it together. How many fingers are all together, my dear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These all fingers are 8. 6 plus 2 we get number 8. Note down the answer. 60 plus 20. The answer is 8080. Is everyone completed the writing part? Note down the next sum. 37 plus 42. Our sum is 37 plus 42. First of all, we are going to solve ones column. That is 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2. Okay. Now see how many fingers are all together. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7 plus 2, we get number 9. Next is 3 plus 4. So 3 plus 4, 3 and 4. Now see how many fingers are all together. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 fingers together. So we can say that 37 plus 42 is equal to 79. So what do you say, my dear students? You all are enjoying to making revision? Very nice. So my dear students, there remains some more sums of addition. So in next lecture we will complete the revision of add the following. Here we are going to learn and write table of 4 today. Okay, so you all are ready? Very nice. So on a new page write down the heading. Table of 4. Table, table of 4. Make sure that you have to write the table on a new page, okay? And leave one line after completing 1. Now I should not repeat this again and again, huh? You all have to read and write the table after me. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. My dear students, this was table of 4. And you all know that in essay 1 we have tables 1 to 5 in our syllabus. So now you all have to repeat after me. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. My dear students, now note down the homework. In homework, today you have to write table of 4 and 5 one time in your homework book with a very good handwriting. at your home. Everyone, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye bye everyone.